We've arrived in Pai. Our bags were literally on the top of this minibus the whole way. This is our hotel room. How cute. Very different. We just we got to Pai. This is the bathroom. I was so worried because we got, what's the time now? 10:30, and it said check in till 9. Wow. Got a sauna over there. Lovely. We are walking to the town centre. It's about a 45-minute walk because there's no taxis in Pai. You can't get a taxi. You need to, so we're going to go try and find a place to rent a bike because that is the only way to get about here really, is a bike. A little moped. We got to Pai about 11 o'clock last night on a minibus. That was crazy. The turns and twists were bad, weren't they, James? The driver was overtaking. He was swerving around these corners. Just, I think he wanted to get home, bless him. So, yeah. Our hotel is actually quite far from the centre, which is why we're walking. It's a 10-minute drive, but it's a 45-minute walk. So we're currently walking. We've got about half an hour left. We tried to get a Bolt last night, which is like a Uber version. There was this one boy, and he said he was the only one in Pai that does it, didn't he, or something? But we just got a weird vibe. He was being a bit strange, and then he was like, oh, can you wait, like something's wrong with my car. We didn't understand it. It was like 11 o'clock at night, so we just kept walking down the walking street and we saw a taxi service, so we went in there. We obviously had our big bags on. They knew we needed a taxi. Obviously they know that there's no taxi, so they charged us 300 baht, which is about £8 £8. That's a lot of money for here, but we kind of had no choice. We didn't really want to get in the other taxi, so, and the guy was really lovely. And then we got to the hotel. I was panicking because I looked and it said check in till 9, so I thought no one was going to be there. It was like 11, but luckily they were there. I think they lived there. And then we only had a 500 baht note, and the guy wanted 300. So, and he had no change, and the people who owned the hotel had no change. So we had to give him 500. And he was like, come back tomorrow, because they rent out PEDs. So we said we were going to go back there. He was like, come back tomorrow and I'll give you your change. So we're kind of hoping on the fact that one, he's going to be there, and two, he's actually going to give it back to us. So fingers crossed anyway. Hopefully he will. I think it's straight. I'll have a look. It's actually so nice here though, like we're like in the mountains. Don't know if you'll be able to see, but like you can just see like the outlines of the mountains everywhere, and it's so nice. Especially compared to like Bangkok. Bangkok is just flat. I like a bit of scenery, mountains and views. We've spotted a 7-Eleven. What are you thinking? They're going to do iced coffees or no? Every 7-Eleven in Bangkok did like iced coffees and stuff, and we only found like one in Chiang Mai that did it, and that was on our last day at the bus station. So I don't know if this one will do it, maybe not. Oh, lovely strawberries, they look nice. They do. Right there. The iced coffees, well, iced lattes in 7-Eleven are unreal. Oh, look at that doggy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, drop one. These are the iced lattes, and they are so nice. And we got a toasty as well. I think we've had toasty every day, haven't we, since we've been here? Well, like in the mornings we just pop to 7-Eleven and get a toasty. Oh, James, bikes! Look! We made it to the walking street of Pai. That bike shop that we went into last time was actually just for sale. So we've come here. It's called Pai Every Day. And got this bike. I've obviously got to wear this helmet because James will not. But look, very nice. Actually nicer than the one we got in Chiang Mai as well. And it looks a bit bigger, so it might be a bit more comfortable. How funny that I think the locals only pay 10 baht and it says foreigners 200. The roads to come up here were so dodgy, weren't they? Literally hit about 10 potholes. Not sure if we've got a flat tyre, but we'll find out when we get back. Loads of little shops as you come down. Getting a brownie.
Oh, there you go.
Yummy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Do a taste test. Nice? Out of 10?
8.
Is it that good? No, it's nice. Very nice.
Could be a bit more moist.
More moist, he says.
M&M sauce. want one.
Do you want one?
I'll have one.
We love a smoothie, don't we?
30 baht.
Cheap as chips. We just had something to eat in here, but I actually forgot to, it's just a burger place, I actually forgot to show the food, but it was really nice. And it was about 80 baht for a chicken burger. The place we wanted to go was here, called Dang Thai food, but it's had no tables all day, so it must be good. There we go. Definitely want to try there before we leave because it looks really good. I think James is going to get a haircut. He's been dying for one. James is getting his first haircut, guys. He's been dying for one. But we're only on day 10 and we're here for 4 months, so I don't know how he's gonna cope. Let's hope he likes it. Gives it swell. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think it looks nice. For 200 baht? It's quite nice. The lady who owns this hotel gave us this fruit. Is it a coconut fruit?
I don't know, something like that.
I think it's a coconut fruit, she said. As we were coming out to leave this morning, she was coming in on her bike and she was like, oh, have you ever tried this fruit? And I was like, no. And she was like, oh, here, you can have it. You don't swallow it though. You eat the sides and the big bit in the middle you chuck away. Look. Why is it gone that colour? There's more in here, look.
You're not gonna like that.
I'm not. What does it taste like?
Not coconut.
I don't like coconut anyway. So what's the point of it if you don't eat it? Is it just the outside? You don't like it? What's your thoughts and feelings?
What's that?
I don't think I want to. No, I don't. That looks really because I don't think she didn't bite it, did she?
I don't know.
She didn't. No, she showed me.
It's like that. It's like disgusting. Like that. But the other bits is nice.
What does it taste like? Can you compare? Is there any comparison?
I don't know.
I don't know either. The usual. We got 2 today because we were quite hungry. We've come to the big Buddha. I think it's like 1,000 steps. We've got Tipsy tubing today, but it's actually a little bit chilly. And we're not sure. Because down the road from where we got the tickets from, there was another stand saying proper Tipsy tubing every Tuesday and Friday, so we're not actually sure if there's gonna be anyone there, but we'll see. It was like 200 baht each. There she is in all her glory. Well, I think it's a woman. I'm not sure. What a lovely view. You can actually see this Buddha from like way over in the other mountain. It's that big. Yeah, it'd be nice to know like information about it, wouldn't it? Because I'd like to know, yeah, like when it was built, how they got it here,
What tools they used.
what's it made out of. Because it is fascinating, especially how high this is and how big that Buddha is. So big. He or she, James says Buddha's a man. Don't. So he, I keep saying she, he's very large and in charge. You can actually rent a skirt for 20 baht if you come with your legs out, but obviously if you go into a temple then you need to cover your knees and your shoulders. Back on the mobile we go. Gonna go to a cafe, get a coffee. Well, James wants a coffee. Look at my helmet. And then we're gonna figure out, because we might stay an extra night, and we're gonna book somewhere and figure out what we're doing. Because then we're gonna need to rent this bike out again for another day, aren't we?
Yeah.
This is the first place I've seen that actually does makeup. Well, obviously apart from the shopping malls and the cities and stuff, but look, you got your L'Oreal, you got your Maybelline.
I think this is a city.
Is it?
No,
It's a bit small, isn't it?
But
yeah, Watson's is your place to go in Pai if you forget your makeup, girls and boys. Went to the place where we booked our Tipsy tube in, and they actually let us change the day, so that's really good. So we're going to do it on Tuesday. So I actually need to book us another night in Pai, 1 or 2 nights, I'm not sure yet, because if we book another night we'll be here till Tuesday, and the Tipsy tubing is on Tuesday and it's till like 5:30, and then we'll have to leave Pai after that. So maybe just book another night and then go early on the Wednesday. It's quite cold today as well, which is why we wanted to change the day. It's actually like jacket weather. It says it's like, it says it's 25 degrees, but it's actually quite cold, maybe because we're used to 30, like 35 degree weather. And I got a cold sore, which is so nice. That's what we're doing, and we need to tidy this room because we are messy. We're so messy. Like, there's no need to be so messy. And we need to do our washing, and they've actually got washing line. We managed to get a place in that Dang Thai food. It was really busy, but we managed to get it, and this is the pad thai. Look how nice this looks. We got some spring rolls as well. They look so yummy. You can literally see the Buddha from anywhere. I think it looks so smart. Look, just sitting in the mountain, so peacefully. Came here for breakfast. I got an Oreo milkshake, that looks lovely. And I think we're gonna get a toasty, aren't we? Yeah. So we're very hungry. We didn't have no dinner last night, did we? Our lunch actually filled us up. We'll share it. You can have half.
What, are we on rations?
Can confirm it's not actually that nice. Their smoothies and shakes and milkshakes mean ice, don't they?
Oh, I don't know, do they?
Well, every smoothie we've had has been like ice slushy, and this is a milkshake and it's ice slushy thing. It's alright, it's just a bit watery. I think this is melted. little village, and it's free for you to just come and look around. And I think they like live in these, you know. And it just makes you realise what you have at home. It's crazy. No special, only real massage. They don't provide a happy ending in there. We've now got to take the bike back because we are leaving Pai tomorrow. Our minibus is at 6:30 and we are going to Chiang Rai. We're taking the bike back today because we're going Tipsy tubing at 1 till like 5:30, so we won't actually need it for another day. Thank you. So yeah, this is our hotel. Our room's up there. You can see all our washing. It's quite nice actually. It's called the Heart of Pai. We didn't actually realise this, but it's an upside down house. I'll show you the front. It's so weird. I literally only noticed it like yesterday night. Like, why is it upside down? Must be the slogan. But yeah, we're gonna go 7-Eleven standard, get some breakfast, obviously a toasty, and take the bike back at 12. Look at the little dog. Hello. Aww. They do iced coffees in this one, do they? So they do. These are the toasties that people talk about. You can get like all different ones, and they basically toast them for you. Also, if you're struggling on like the food situation, they do like a fried chicken with rice, and they heat this up for you if you want it heated. So they heat all of these up, which I think is really good, because this one's actually really nice. We've tried this one as well, the stir fry chicken with garlic, which is also really nice, and James actually tried the pork fried rice, which is also really nice. So, and they're really cheap, they're like less than £1, so yeah. Also, the toasties make you feel like you're at home. I don't know why. I think that's why everyone loves them, because yeah, it's just cheese and ham toasty really. Do you want some strawberries? These ones? Thank you. Okay.
Better health and wealth in our life.
40 baht, that was less than £1.
Just, but 96p.
Maybe.
Cross my heart up to die, but I know that you can't be making any promises. You keep changing up your mind like a spin the bottle, playing hide and seek with all your problems. And I've been losing sleep, cause you promised no take backs. Wearing my heart like a Boy Scout badge, but it's barely hanging by a thread. Brought a knife to a gunfight, now we both got blood on our hands. Float like a butterfly, you sting like a bee. Cross my heart up to die, but I know if we tried it, honey, we could be so sweet. You keep changing changing up your mind like spin the bottle, playing hide and seek with all your problems. And I've been losing sleep 'cause you promised don't take back.
We are actually going out tonight. Don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Probably play pool somewhere. But yeah, I'm not going to take the camera in case it gets stolen.